In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Google Sheets. This is a simple yet powerful way to keep a closer eye on your finances, and no complex software is required. All you need is Google Sheets, which is readily available if you have a Google account. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open up a blank Google Sheet. If you're new to Google Sheets, this can be done easily by heading to your Google Drive, clicking on New in the upper left corner, and then selecting Google Sheets. This will open a fresh spreadsheet where you can input and analyze your financial data. Now that we've got our Google Sheet open, let's move on to setting up the basic framework for our expense tracker. Click on cell H4. This is where we'll start inputting some simple formulas that will help us manage our expenses in a streamlined manner. With the cursor in cell H4, type in the formula SUM B5 B7. This formula will help us calculate the total of values entered in cells B5 through B7. It's a straightforward way to sum up a range of numbers, providing a cumulative figure that we can use to understand our spending habits. Once you've typed in the formula, simply hit the Enter key. The cells should now display the sum of numbers you enter in the specified range. This step is crucial as it lays the groundwork for the remaining calculations we'll perform in the sheet. Next, move over to cell H5. Here, we're going to add another formula, SUM E5 E29. Similar to the previous step, this formula will allow us to calculate the sum of values in another range of cells, this time from E5 to E29. By doing this, we're essentially capturing a different set of data, perhaps categorized expenses or different accounts you track separately. Don't forget to hit the Enter key after typing the formula. It's essential to activate the calculation and see the resulting sum in the cell. Now, we'll perform one more integration in our sheet. Direct yourself to cell H6. In this cell, type the formula H4 H5. This formula will subtract the total expenses you calculated in cell H5 from your total income or budget recorded in H4, showing you how much money you have remaining. It's an efficient way to monitor your budget and see exactly what you have left after all expenses have been accounted for. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you can now track your expenses in Google Sheets with ease. This approach keeps your financial data organized, accessible, and always up to date. Feel free to customize this sheet further according to your personal needs, perhaps by adding more categories or using additional features to enhance your tracking. Thank you for watching, and happy budgeting!